Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
We begin with a Primetime News follow-up. The Director of Public Prosecutions has dismissed comments made by the opposition leader Mark Golding that the agency has been dragging its feet with the multi-million-dollar stocks and securities fraud case.
DPP Paula Llewellyn said the ruling cannot be completed and neither can additional charges be laid because there are still outstanding documents from the Financial Investigations Division.
The comments made by opposition leader Mark Golding as he finished his budget presentation outside Gordon House on Tuesday.
Jamaica's iconic global track superstar, the Honorable Usain Bolt, and many other innocent investors were carried down in the scandalous SSL fiasco. And we can't hear anything about charges being brought against the culprits. I have been told that the DPP's office is dragging their feet when there are a number of people that the Financial Investigations Division are seeking to bring charges against.
In a statement Friday afternoon, the office of the DPP rejected that statement. DPP Paula Llewellyn indicated that her office started receiving documents from the FID in November 2023. However, there are several outstanding documents that are critical to the investigation. The DPP outlined that in order to reach a good judgment, which would lead to additional charges, the prosecution would need at least 85 to 95% of the material placed on file. Of note, Ms. Llewellyn said her office has maintained a good relationship with the FID and has been in constant dialogue with the agency about the outstanding documents. In response, she indicated that the FID sent additional documents to her office on March 6, 2024, and a meeting has been arranged for the end of March to discuss all the materials submitted thus far. While not revealing any specific details about the discussions with investigators, the DPP said she's looking forward to the outstanding documents so that the ruling can be made and the findings communicated to the public. So far, charges have been laid against SSL's wealth advisor Jean Ann Panton. She is to return to court on May 27.